how to connect Cash App to Apple Pay. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you can add Apple Pay into your Cash App account. So of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do is to pull up Cash application on your mobile device and then make sure that you are logged in. And once you are successfully logged in, all you have to do is to add Apple Pay as a payment method of your Cash App by going into the option of Pays and Request at your left side. Next is you will automatically be redirected to all the payment methods that you have set up and that you have not on the Cash App. And then for you to be able to use Apple Pay as your payment method, you just want to simply choose on card. Now, once you choose on card, you should be able to get recommendations such as activate cash card, add to Apple Pay, copy number, report card lost or stolen. All you have to do is to choose on add to Apple Pay, follow on-screen prompts so that you will be successful or you will complete all the whole process on adding Apple Pay into Cash App. And that's it. That is how you connect Cash App to Apple Pay.